Be our guest, put our service to the test.
Food, finally!
Tie a napkin round your neck, Cherie, and we'll provide the rest. Lunch is served.
Yay! So, what's that?
What do you mean, what? Your lunch.
That's all. And where is the magical scent of the Krabby Patty? Or the wonderful jelly of various fruits like Despicable Me?
I think you watch too much television. Food doesn't look like that in real life.
That's not true. I'll even make Homer's favorite Ribwich for you if you want.
Challenge accepted. Looking forward to your culinary delights.
But I'll need your help, Susan.
And I was hoping to rest. Okay, let's go. Hi guys! Today we're gonna cook Sam's favorite meals from movies. And the first one will be… Sammy, but the jelly from Despicable Me isn't tasty at all.
We're gonna make it delicious. Blueberry?
Sure, but let's leave some more for the jelly.
Fine.
We should both pick ingredients we like the most. For example, this cranberry to add some sourness.
Apples! I want apples. The red ones are the best.
If you like apples so badly, let's take 2 of them. And I'll pick 1 orange. Orange fans, give us a thumbs up.
Oh, banana! Banana!
Yeah, minions love bananas. And pineapples, too.
Let's finish with grapes, Sue. Oh, it's gonna be the tastiest jelly in the world.
First, we need to cut the fruits. Guys, ask an adult to help you. Let's start with apples. Cut them into 4 pieces and be very careful working with the knife.
You're doing well, Sue. This apple's really yummy.
Sammy, don't eat the ingredients. We won't have enough for our jelly.
Then I'll just hide where you can't watch me.
Oh, Sammy. Let's peel the orange. I cut it crisscross like this. First from one side. Here we go. Oop, watch your fingers. And now make cuts from the other side. Actually, you'd better ask an adult to help you. All right. Now we can peel the orange. Check this out. Easy peasy, right?
Sue, you didn't even notice me. I helped you with the pineapple.
Well, a pineapple is a hard one to peel. Let's try to do it with a bit of magic. Ooh, cool! We need to cut it into 6 pieces. On second thought, why use a knife at all?
You're a cheater, Sue! Oh, who am I kidding? I love your tricks.
Thanks, Sammy. There's only 1 banana left. Can you peel it?
That works for me. Be right back.
How much time will it take for Sam to finish? 1, 2…
Here's your banana.
Wow, Sammy, that was fast. In less than a blink of an eye.
Slimes can not only be fast, but also invisible. What are we gonna do next?
Make the fruit juice, of course. We'll start with the apples.
It's so cool, Sue. I'll pick the next fruit. Let it be my favorite orange.
As you wish. Woohoo!
So many fruits and so little juice. There won't be enough jelly then.
Let's speed up the process and you'll see that you're wrong. Pop, does that look better?
It looks terrific. Are we gonna drink it?
No, Sammy, we're making jelly after all.
Then we're gonna eat it.
Here comes the last glass of juice. Let me clean this up. Okay, now let's add agar this way.
Good job, Sue. Mix it really well.
I've got it, Sammy. Guys, mix it in a circular motion.
And don't forget to add sugar or I'm not even gonna taste it.
Okay, Sammy. Guys, we need about 2 teaspoons or a little bit more. Perfect.
Now we need to boil it for 2 minutes. Don't stop mixing.
Check this out, guys. The foam is disappearing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Sue. 2 minutes is too long.
Sammy.
It's done. Guys, choose a jar you like and fill it up with the jelly. Oh, my precious jelly. I'll eat you soon. I'm ready.
Nuh-uh, don't rush. We should leave it in the fridge for several hours.
Well then, next course, please.
Let's prepare the ingredients then and we'll be ready to start. Okay, Sammy, tell us, what are we gonna cook next?
It's Homer's Ribwich from The Simpsons. Guys, it's a heavenly sandwich.
Yeah, you've never tasted anything like this. As you may know, the main ingredient is pork ribs. Sounds delicious, isn't it? But we'll start with the sauce. We'll need…
Tabasco sauce. You like it, guys?
Yeah, you should remember there's chili pepper in it. Sammy and I love spicy Tabasco. Let's pour it into the bowl.
Just a little stew or I'll burn my tongue.
Okay, that's enough. The next ingredient is ketchup. Let's open it. Here we go. Don't be afraid to add a lot of ketchup into the bowl.
Yummy. I assume maybe we'll stop her right there.
Sammy, but we can make our sauce even better. It won't be good enough without mustard.
Fine, you know better. How do I smell smoke here?
It's our secret ingredient, liquid smoke. What a smell.
Whoa, check this out, it's garlic football. Wow, wow.
And I'll use the garlic in a more traditional way. Just add it to the sauce. All right.
You know, fun stew. Oh, so many ingredients for one sauce. Have we finished yet?
Almost, Sammy. We just need to mix it all up properly. Here we go.
Okay, it's time to add sauce to the ribs.
Guys, you can use a culinary brush to spread the sauce evenly. Let's add the sauce on this side, like this.
Susan, don't be greedy. Put more sauce.
Sammy, don't forget that we have to put some sauce on the other side, too.
Ugh, if this Ribwich isn't as good as Homer's, I'll be so disappointed.
It will be even better because it's not a cartoon. Now let's season the ribs with some pepper. Wow, so much.
Shoo, didn't you overdo the pepper?
It'll make the ribs spicier. And don't forget about salt, too. Any other suggestions, Sam?
Let's see. Oh, I know. Add some smoked paprika.
Great choice. I think that'll be enough.
What a smell. Sue, are we gonna put the ribs into the oven?
Yep, we'll bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. Don't forget to ask an adult to help you with the oven, guys.
3 hours? Sue, you must do something. I can't wait that long.
Okay. Ta-da! Check this out. Tender, juicy meat.
Here's a tip, guys. After 3 hours in the oven, add some more sauce on the meat and bake it a little bit more.
Guys, adults can help you slice the meat, but before that, it's better to remove the bones.
I can't do it anymore.
Don't worry, guys. Sam was just cutting onions. Cut them into semi-rings, but be careful with the knife. Oh, we forgot about pickles. Let's cut it. Up. Perfect.
Whoa, guys, pick the most squishy vine. I can even jump on it. Hey, Sue!
Don't play with the food, Sammy. We're still gonna use it. Now we can start building our Ribwich. The first layer is our special smoky sauce. Be generous, guys. This way your sandwich is gonna be super yummy.
Now take the onions. The second layer is onions.
That's right, Sammy. I see somebody's watched The Simpsons very carefully.
You bet. Now go pickles, Susie!
Okay, Sammy. Here comes 1, 2, 3.
More pickles! Put more pickles!
And last but not least, the ribs. I think Homer would be proud of this.
Wow, our Ribwich is off the charts!
The smell makes my mouth water.
No, wait, Sue, we have one more dish on our menu.
It's funny that you are so prudent, Sammy, not me. Okay, let's finish first. Guys, this will be the last dish for today. I've always wanted to try it.
You're not alone, Sue. It's the famous Krabby Patty from SpongeBob SquarePants, after all.
Let's add mustard, too. Check out these colors.
Don't forget about the mayonnaise. It's an essential ingredient.
Sam's right, but don't get carried away. 1 tablespoon is enough.
Here's the onion. This time I had no tears.
Congratulations, Sammy. You cut them so well. Let's add some pickles, too. Cut them finely. And season the sauce with chili pepper. Stay focused, guys. Only 2 ingredients are left. Dried garlic.
And salt. Sue, let me do something too. I'm bored.
Sammy, you can help me finish the sauce. Mix it well.
That's the right job for me. I'll mix the best sauce for the Krabby Patty.
I have no doubts. Let's prepare the filling for our burger. You'll need 1 onion, 1 tomato. I forgot the last thing. Oh, I got it. A pickle. It's cutting time.
Well, so check this out. I found these 4 patties with cheese.
Oh, sorry about the cheese, Sammy, but it's an essential part of the recipe.
I know, it's just things are complicated between me and cheese.
Sammy, I promise you'll love cheese in this. First come the onion rings. Then comes our delicious sauce. Sam, you did a great job with it.
I'm a sous chef here after all. Enough sauce, Sue, please proceed.
Okay, the next ingredient is a tomato ring. Hop. And pickles, of course. It already looks so yummy. Do you agree, guys?
But this layer's not finished without
a double cheese patty.
I think I got it. Are we gonna repeat all the steps?
Not exactly, Sammy. You'll see everything right now. Here comes the bun. Ta-da!
Holy cannoli, that's the biggest burger I've seen in my slime life!
Guys, we made a cool and really huge burger, but if you think that's it, you're terribly wrong. We'll make a crunchy batter layer. We'll need eggs, flour, some water, and if you don't mind, I'll add some popcorn cheese powder.
It's only to cook a proper Krabby Patty just for today.
Sammy doesn't like cheese, guys. And hop!
What have you done? It's a crime against all burgers!
Sammy, don't worry. I simply secured it with wooden skewers, so the burger holds together.
Oh, you really scared me. You should warn me next time.
Let's cover our burger in the batter now. All right. And then submerge it into the hot oil. Be careful and don't get burned. You'd better ask an adult to help you with this step, guys.
Check out this golden crust, Sue. Aren't we done yet?
First, we need to cover it in the batter one more time. And submerge it into the hot oil again. Whoosh! Be very careful, guys. Wait till the burger becomes golden.
This is gonna be the best lunch ever.
No doubt, Sammy. It's so golden and crunchy. Can't wait to taste it. Be careful. Guys, our Krabby Patty is ready. Just one more thing to make it look just like the animated film. By the way, don't forget that we've got 2 more dishes. Let's see all of them.
Oh, come on, Sue, how much longer?
Sammy, it's for my Instagram. Just 3 seconds, okay? 1, 2...
3! Let's eat!
Well, how is it, Sammy?
It's sweet and sour. It has a smoky smell and the cheese is not all that bad. It's great, Sue!
Seems like all the food mixed in your head.
Guys, you should taste it too. It's awesome!
If you want to see more culinary videos from us, then give a thumbs up.
And subscribe. We really appreciate it. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!